Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Technology Glance. In this video, I'm going to guide you through how you can reduce sensitive content by default on Facebook. So, let's get started. Watch till the end and don't forget to subscribe to Technology Glance by hitting the subscribe button and press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open the Facebook app on your device. Now, tap on the menu. After that, select Settings and then tap on the Newsfeed. Here, you can find Reduce option. Tap on it and then select Sensitive Content. Next, tap on the button under Reduce Default. Then, select OK. And that's it. This is how you can reduce sensitive content by default on Facebook. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, we will love it if you hit the thumbs up button below. We upload great new tech tutorials like this one every day. So, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get an update as soon as we post a video.